Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from 1Password 6 to 7, which is the latest version of 1Password. By upgrading to the latest version, you'll have access to the new interface, new sharing options, and the improved Watchtower feature that lets you know how to stay secure and if your passwords have been compromised. When you upgrade to 1Password, you will need to decide if you want to purchase a new standalone license or if you want to start a 1Password subscription. I'll be starting a 1Password subscription in this video, but I'll also show you how to purchase a standalone license. Okay, let's get started. One of the easiest ways to upgrade is to download and install 1Password 7 on your computer that is already running 1Password 6. I'm on my Mac, so I can either download the latest version of 1Password from the App Store or download it directly from the 1Password website. If you download 1Password from the App Store, then you'll be able to start your subscription using your Apple ID. If you're already using your Apple ID for other purchases and subscriptions, this is a good option. However, if you want to purchase 1Password 7 using a standalone license, this isn't available if you've downloaded the software from the App Store. Instead, you'll need to download it from the 1Password website. Let's head there now. We can click on Try 1Password for free at the top of the page, but selecting this option will get you to create a new account before downloading the software. So instead of selecting this, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page. And I'm going to select Downloads. Now I'm going to download 1Password 7 for Mac. Now we need to install 1Password. Since 1Password 6 is currently open, I'm going to select Quit so I can install 1Password 7. Now that 1Password 7 has been installed, it automatically opens and I can enter the master password I previously used for version 6. If it doesn't open automatically, you can head to Applications and open 1Password 7. If you do this, you'll also notice that 1Password 6 has automatically been archived. So I'm going to enter my master password. And all of my passwords are available in 1Password 7. However, we're not quite done. We can see that my 1Password vault and all of my passwords are still stored on iCloud. I want to start a 1Password subscription to take full advantage of version 7. This also lets me move my passwords to 1Password so they're easily accessible across my devices. To do this, I'm going to select 1Password 7 and then purchase 1Password. We can select Subscribe Today or Need a License if we want to purchase a standalone license. There are some advantages to starting a subscription. You can use 1Password on all of your devices. You receive free updates. You can access revision history for each login. You can securely store files. You can use travel mode that lets you remove certain passwords from your device while you're traveling, and more. I'm going to select Subscribe Today. I need to enter my email address. Now I need to enter the code that was sent to my email address. And click Continue. I need to enter my details. Now we need to choose our master password. Remember, this will be the 1Password we will need to remember. Once you've entered a master password, click Continue. and re-enter your new master password. To migrate my passwords from iCloud to my new 1Password account, I just need to click Copy Items. That's it. All of my passwords are now available in my 1Password account. I can double check this by heading to the 1Password website. And logging in with my details. We're now given a secret key, which we'll need to use when signing in to new devices. Your secret key and your master password protect your account, so 1Password recommends you print a copy of their emergency kit and keep it safe. I'm going to download a copy for safekeeping. Now we can access our 1Password account online. We can see my personal vault is available along with all of my logins. And I'm going to select the option to upgrade my account to 1Password for families. The family subscription lets 5 family members use 1Password, and you can also share passwords and other information with each other. So that's how you can upgrade to 1Password 7 from version 6. Once you've upgraded, you will be able to use all of the new features. And if you decide to start a 1Password subscription, then consider signing up for 1Password families like I did. This will let 5 people in your household use 1Password, and you can also take advantage of the password sharing feature. For example, you can use this to share login details with your partner so they can access utilities and other services without compromising on security. Have you upgraded from 1Password 6 to 7? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. See you next time.